We've fixed the brakes, we've chased the wires, and we've told ourselves this should be enough, but Spain doesn't care what should work.
On. Wonderful.
If this goes right, we go to Spain. If it doesn't, we don't. Classic cars don't fail loudly, they fail politely, usually at the worst possible moment. About 200 meters in, the gamble was over. First gear was fine, second wasn't happening, so we turned around before the car made a decision for us. Okay, that was something.
Well, the problem is now we can't get it in gear. I mean, in the second gear, it's a pain. So we believe it's something that when we removed from here, you can feel here it's a rubber something. So we'll try to take this off and see what we can find.
We might not need to get it out. That's that.
Okay. I see. You can see it from here.
Right. So that has to sit nicely in here. And it didn't, did it?
No, it's all over the place.
I can't see it.
Why you don't come this way and you'll see it? It's not staying very okay there.
I think we have to push it into first gear. Take it out, dear. To get that up.
Do you think this is supposed to catch something on that lever, on that cover? Maybe this goes somewhere in. Oh, it doesn't have anything. What?
Not gears, not linkages, just a rubber bush having ideas of its own.
Okay, second try. Power first. Ding dong. This is why you take such a cars like this on tours, because otherwise you will never fix all the problems.
So far, so good. Let's not tempt fate. Attempt number 2 went better than the first, which isn't saying much. It'll do for now, but that rubber bush isn't earning a holiday in Spain.
Well, look what we have. And look, it's incredibly soft. And we also got this thing. Now, who knows what is this? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna get you a cookie. I don't know if you've noticed, but sometimes, usually this light stays on if the doors are open. And here, it's this switch. And even if you slam the door and keep it closed, sometimes it just flashes. So we're gonna replace this thing. Or add another one on top, actually, I think we're gonna do. Ooh. Yeah, that's good. Oh no! Chickens are having a crisis. Let's go and laugh. You've been locked outside. Of course, are the naughty ones. Go on then. Get your ass inside. This app is very good. Okay, one is going. Stop eating. Go on then. And look how clever is this app. Okay, they're in. Close door. Well, we're about to go in a few hours, but we need to do this. So how I'm gonna do that? Need a piece of paper, no? Or, no, I can't remove this. And these are the tools that we're gonna take with us.
There, please. And I'm going
Oh,
to...
you're gonna do a circle. That's clever. Uh-oh.
And in the right place.
So you can put tools in there,
Yeah, now I'm going to cut.
in the middle. You see, when you're using this, I'm not very happy with it. We color code this. Mixture adjusting are this and this and this, and fast idling yellow, and this slow running. Yeah, I'm thinking to leave it like this. No, it's moving, still moving. I chopped it a little bit. I think it fits a little Well, I'd say it's acceptable, maybe. I use this for the leather in the interior. Looks good. I think I have plenty of room. I think I can take 2. Well, I already packed, but
This isn't another test, it's the last one before the big trip.
You wouldn't have done it just by regular sort of dumb stuff.
yes. We failed.
I think we want a new one of those.
This was the last test, the last chance to stop. Eleanor's earned our trust, so next we see if she'll take us to Spain.
Are you excited? She is, but she can't tell you.